Hello guys, in continuation to the last video, we can see in today's video that how to assign the feature control frame and datum symbols and also how to give the note text. So let us begin the video. So first of all, for the note we can use this tool, that is text. We can simply click on the sheet for writing the text and click OK. If you want to go to the next line in this editor, click Control and then Enter. Go to the next line and click Enter. We can also assign the dimension line, that is by text while leader. Click on this and also click on the size or where we want the dimension and click on the screen and write it. We can also move it like this. Also, this is a symbol for feature control frame and this is the datum feature. First of all, for feature control frame, click on this. If we want to assign the feature control frame for this surface, click on this and click on the screen. The dialog box will appear. For this surface, if suppose we want to give the flatness, which will be zone descriptor will be linear for it, and suppose this is the tolerance zone and click OK. In this way we can give the feature control frame. If we want to assign the datum symbol, datum feature symbol, click on it. This symbol is available on dimensioning toolbar, last option. This symbol is for datum feature symbol. If we want to assign the symbol for this one, it will appear, and which feature symbol is this, we can edit. Click OK. For any other feature control frame, we can go to this option. We can give here straightness, flatness, circularity, position, concentricity, perpendicularity in this way. If we want to add a symbol here, we can add it by here and type this is the primary datum. And when we click here, only the secondary datum will be available for writing. If we add any text, if we want to add any text here, and click OK. In this way, this feature control frame will appear here. If we want to disappear, means if you do not want this borderline, then click on this and all the dimension borderline will be disappear. But preferably this should be on, so that we can get the idea that which view is active. We can also add the bill of material. from here in generation bill of material, but this is actually a model and not the product, as we can assign the bill of material for only assembly products, so it cannot be appeared here. So thanks guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe this video for more further videos. Thank you.